What's going on YouTube? Salutations and greetings. You're watching KBTV, where knowledge is born. And you know I am, King David. Here to give you guys another teaching. And today's lesson is about nutrition facts. Okay? Because these are big facts. Big facts, big facts. Nutrition facts that I want to discuss with you guys that are important. So I want to share this knowledge with you guys today. How y'all doing today? Hola, como estás? The first one I wanted to go over was the high fructose corn syrup, which I already got written up there. Kind of just went ahead and wrote things up there so we can go along with it quickly. Basically, high fructose corn syrup is a sweetener made from cornstarch. You know, it's manufactured, processed in a warehouse somewhere, and it's made from cornstarch. Okay, which is not natural. All right, when we want to deal with stuff, we want to deal with natural stuff. Okay, sucrose is a natural sugar. Okay, from, like, you know, sugar canes, fruit, things of that nature. Glucose is the main type of sugar produced in the body, that's in the blood, for the body's cells. Okay. Oops. So glucose is the main type of sugar in the blood and is a major source of energy in the body that's produced for the body cells. Now, natural glucose is fruits, veggies, bread, rice, okay, things like that. And fructose is a natural sugar. Okay, even though we got high fructose up here, fructose, you know, naturally comes from fruit and honey. All right. And so we have the high fructose corn syrup, which is in a lot of soda pops and stuff that you drink. A lot of sodas and things that you drink, you're going to see, look on the back of on the label where it say nutrition facts, you're going to see high fructose corn syrup. You see that, run away from it. Now, sucrose, we know it's natural sugar, sugar cane fruit. Glucose is a sugar produced that's in the blood of the body, okay, for the body cells. All right. Natural glucose, that natural glucose is found in fruits, veggies, bread, rice, etc. Now, natural fructose is found in fruit and honey. Okay? So you guys get the understanding of that. Just look at the back of the label on whatever you drink in nutrition facts right there, and just, if you see that, this is a no-no. No. We don't want this. Want this. Now, soy lecithin, if I pronounced that correct, excuse me if I didn't, I don't want to sound ignorant, is a estrogenic type of, it's a strong estrogenic. That's what soy lecithin is. It's an estrogen. So they just, basically, that's what that is. Soy lecithin is estrogen. Okay? They just gave it a fancy name. But two different words, but same thing. Okay, just like knowledge and information, same thing. Just two different words, same meaning, two different words. All right, so let's go to the definition of estrogen, ladies and gentlemen. Estrogen are hormones that are important for sexual and reproductive development, mainly in women. I'm going to say it again. Estrogen are hormones that are important for sexual and reproductive development, mainly in women. So this is, since I'm running out of room, we're going to put sexual development. Okay. Now, what this estrogen is doing in the body, okay, or the soy lecithin, all right, they're both the same thing, is that is binding itself with the iron, zinc, and magnesium minerals, and it disrupts their absorption in the human body. All right, so this estrogen or soy that's in these products is disrupting the body's development or development, and it disrupts the absorption of the minerals that I just talked about, the iron, the zinc, and the magnesium that's supposed to be for the body. Okay, and it's messing with the sexual developments and reproductive of people. Okay, turning if a man is taking sexual hormones, which is estrogen, he's going to become feminine. Okay, so understand how deep this goes. Remember when I talked about in my video carbon, aka melanin, when I talked about when we not nourishing our melanin because we eating Kit Kats and Skittles, these type of things are in the Kit Kats, Doritos, all that. So if you was eating that before you got pregnant, then you conceived a baby, and you was still eating that junk food when you conceived the baby. Then when that baby was born, okay, you know, to keep the baby from crying, you still feeding them Skittles and Kit Kats and Laffy Taffies and whatever. Okay, and that these chemicals is dividing and disrupting the development system and fusing as one molecule and making and producing estrogen in the man's body, making him feminine. Then you thinking, oh, little JJ been like that since he was 4. We knew he was gonna grow up to be gay. It's genetic. Yeah, they altered the genetics of your genes so that would happen. They knew the outcome of what was gonna happen later on down the line. That was the cause. This is the effect. You know what I'm saying? So this is serious. It disrupts the sexual development in kids and in people, grown ups too. Okay. Next one. Let's go to the next one. X and Exanthin gum. I'm sure we've seen that before on the back of your nutrition facts. You need to start reading this stuff for real. Don't just pick up stuff and start eating it. Read, look what's on the back of it. Because once you learn some of this, you're going to start digging into the rest. All right. Exanthin gum is made by is made by sugar derived typically from corn or soy or wheat. Remember, we just talked about soy. Okay, so Exanthin gum is made by sugar derived typically from corn or soy or wheat, and that has been pooped out by a bacteria that produces rot on various vegetables. I'm going to say this again because I can't even believe it. Exanthin gum is made by sugar derived typically from corn or soy or wheat, and that it has been pooped out by a bacteria that produces rot on various vegetables. Just the word bacteria and pooped freaks me out. I don't even want nothing to do with it. Okay, so basically this is made from bacteria. I'm gonna keep it simple. And we all know what bacteria is, or at least we should know what it is. If not, look it up. Okay. Next, red 40, yellow 5, yellow 6. Okay. This is in your drinks. This is on the back of your favorite Doritos and chips you eat. Okay. Now let's find out what's in it. Red 40, yellow 5, and yellow 6 contains compounds including benzodiazepine, and aminobiphenol that researchers has linked with cancer. Benzodiazepine and aminobiphenol I don't even know if y'all can see that, but if you can, bear with me, Right. So contain compounds including benzodiazepine and aminobiphenol that researchers has linked with cancer. So you see yellow 5, yellow 6, red 40 on the back of your nutrition facts, that's cancer. Okay? And benzodiazepine is used in making dyes and detecting blood stains. So if you watch CSI and they go in there and they trying to detect the blood stains and they spraying benzodiazepine on the wall so they can detect the blood stains, that's what you digesting. Stuff that makes dyes and detects blood stains. All right. Let's go to the next one. Sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate. Oop, I forgot to put the N in there. Sodium benzoate is a food preservative to keep food from molding. However, side effects of it when mixed with vitamin C, like if I ate an orange and then I turned around and drank a substance that had sodium benzoate in it, when mixed with vitamin C, can turn into a carcinogen and DNA damager. Other side effects include headache, agitation, irritability, shortness of breath, excitement, restlessness, anxiety. So when this is mixed, first of all, just by itself causes the side effects of headaches, nausea, restlessness, anxiety. You heard me say it. But if I digested this with the substance that I ate earlier or drunk earlier, and then right after that I had something with high vitamin C in it, like an orange and orange juice, this sodium benzoate will turn into a carcinogen and DNA damager. I'm just gonna put carcinogen DNA killer. Alright? It is killing DNA. So if you see sodium benzoate anywhere back of your thing, run. Red 40, yellow 5, yellow 6, that's cancer. Run. Excitin gum, made from bacteria. Stay away from it. Soy lecithin is estrogen. It's going to change your sexual developments. Okay? So stay away from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1. But 2, 3, 4, and 5, which is sucrose, glucose, natural glucose, and fructose, is good for you. And you can find that in fruits, vegetables, bread. Right. So basically, you want to become a vegetarian at the end of the day. That's, basically what I'm telling y'all. All right? Because anything else is going to kill you. So, like I said, I'm only giving my 10%. 90% is up to you. You know, I said this before. And either you're eating to live or you're eating to die. You are what you eat, but more importantly, you are what you think about. So if you think about eating this all the time, you're going to act on it. But if you knew better, you do better. And I'm trying to let y'all know this right here is to do better. So this is nutrition facts, big facts, big facts. All right. Go over it. Look at the video many times, like and share. You know, so people get this information. It's important. Okay. Soy lecithin is estrogen. All right. Read the nutrition facts. All right. They're trying to feminize the people. Literally. With these so-called food additives and preservatives they putting in the drinks and sodas and stuff. All right, so be careful. Watch for the nutrition facts and read before you buy it. You know what you're buying. All right. Until we meet again. Tavio luego, que tenga un buen día. See you later. Have a good day. Peace.